Freedom for Australia. This is just a video about the upcoming car events happening for December. But here we go. Let's go. First one is Whoop-Ass Wednesday. This is this Wednesday. It's December the 3rd it is. Right here. Whoop-Ass Wednesday, 5:30. The gate opens till 9 o'clock. Burnouts for 2 hours, so I'll be going to that. Then on Friday, we got Fast Friday thing. Here, let me just get this. One sec. Peeps, bear with me. Saved. Go here.
Fire up your Friday night at the Flex. Electrical Group Training presents Fast Fridays. Speedway racing on the half-cam play and burnouts on the snake pit. Your favourite F words rolled into one epic night of motortainment. Perth Motorflex, Friday, December 5th. Electrical Group Training Fast Fridays. Get your tickets, motorflex.com.au.
So that's the second event. That's on this Friday. Yoink. Go back to this for a sec. Okay, and then that's Friday. So on Saturday we got Harley Heaven, Perth and Savage Motorcycles Show and Shine. Saturday. That's what date is it? I don't even know. It's the 6th, yeah, the 6th. That's at Savage Motorcycles in Midvale. 8 o'clock till 12. I don't know if I said that already. I might have, but 8 o'clock till 12. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. Boom. We go back. Also on Saturday, they got this at the Motorplex. John Good In-Car Audio Entertainment. John D Speedway Classic WA Sprint Car Title. Yeah, I won't be going to that, I don't think. I'll be going to the motorcycle one and the Fast Friday and Wednesday one. The Whoop-Ass Wednesday, I'll be going to all those. This West Coast Cruise Night, that's on Saturday as well. 6. What time is that? 7 o'clock. Well, sorry I keep saying but Belmont Forum, that's where they meet. Next one after that is on the 7th of December. That's at Classic Cars and Coffee, University of West Australia. Once again, same place. Same place. And then we got the Sunday as well, which is the 7th. They got the Blue Car Cruise. Nope, I won't be going to that. I'm going to the Classic Cars and Coffee. Wednesday the 10th of December, they got Whoop-Ass Wednesday again. Again, 5:30, the gate opens till 9. And the big one, baby. Let's go here. The big one. One sec, beeps. Where is it? Let's Burnouts here.
Burnouts! Burnouts and more burnouts! Electrical Group Training Burnout Blitz. One night only on the Basin Snake Pit. Perth Motorplex, Saturday, December 13. WA's toughest burnout machines. Mechanical mayhem on the Snake Pit. One night stand for 25 grand. Electrical Group Training Burnout Blitz. Perth Motorplex, Saturday, December 13. Bring your mates. We'll bring the mayhem. Grab your tickets. motorflex.com.au. Burnouts! Burnout!
So yeah, that one, I'm definitely going to that. Some of the best shit ever. Burnout Blitz, baby. Boom. Oops, slid out of my hand. That opens at 2:30 to a 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. Cool. Look on their website if you want to find out what time the gates open and all that. I'm not sure. I've got to look it up myself. Then we got same day as the Burnout thing, which that means I'm not going to this one, but there's a rock and roll racing PGC show and shine. That's at 5:30 p.m. and it goes to like 11, I think. That's at Carco Raceway. And we got this same day again. I'm not going to that because I got to be at the Motorplex. Oops. I hope this isn't copyrighted. Probably is. Just have to edit that out. 6:30 to 7:30. Rock and roll. 2026 Rumble Christmas Cruise. And that is, they meet at Dome's Cafe in Rockingham. Says it right there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but whatever. It just keeps starting over again. Alright, Sunday the 14th of December, we got Northern Steel Christmas Toy Run 2025. That's on Sunday. Meeting point is Junior Up Licensing Center car park. The meet will be at 8 a.m. and they leave at 8:30. I don't think I'll be heading to that. Northern Steel. No, I just saw that one, didn't I? Yeah. Toy Run. What is this? Sunday the 14th December, 9 a.m. Toy Run public event. I don't know what this is. A big day. Okay, it's a motorbike event. Must go like riding. Who the hell is this brilliant? Why did he come on? Stop playing with me. 18th of December, we got the Shannon's Tarmac Rally Sprint Series. That's at the Motorplex. I don't think I'll be going to that. 20th of December, they got the Maloo Club, Owners Club, blah 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 cruise. 9 a.m. Coburn Central, I mean. Coburn Central. 9 a.m. leaving at 9:30. Then they got this custom cars and coffee. I'll be going to that for sure. Saturday the 20th of December, 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. It's at the Motorplex again. I might bring my dirt bikes there. That'd be cool. Yeah, that'd be cool. You can bring your dirt bikes. You can bring whatever you likes. You herds. Just give me a sec.